Alright guys, so this video is basically about answering the comments on the iKamper, me getting rid of my iKamper. So Shelly Howe suggested the FSR. So the FSR are really nice. Kyle runs one, Craig runs one on his Jeep when he's not pulling his trailer. Shelly and Jesse, they run one. There's a few other folks in our group that runs the FSRs. They are nice, and they do have rails on them to mount awnings, for sure. So it's in the consider. Oop, I bumped the table. Apologize. It's definitely being considered. If I could find a deal on one, maybe, or something like that, I'll keep an eye out. I'm really trying to get a go fast. Honestly, that's what I'm wanting. I don't know if I can budget it, but that's what I'm wanting is a go fast, a GFC. And they are built in Montana, all aluminum, you know, just really nice quality tents. And I'm not saying the other ones aren't, because they are. They're nice quality tents as well. I'm just really leaning towards that go fast. So we'll have to see on it. But there's another brand that's really nice that Michael from Arkansas Offroad Adventures pointed out to me. It's a top oak. Him and a bunch of his buddies are running top oaks, and they're really nice tents too. I got to check his out there at J3 the other day, and it's really nice. So there's a lot of options out there. I just not 100% sure on what I'm going to do yet. Like I said, I really want that GFC. We'll just have to see if I can swing the price point on it. I would like to get the GFC tent with the topper on it, but they're high. So we'll have to see on that. But I've got a friend that's got a GFC that's for sale, so just have to see what we can come up with on that. But it's just the tent. It's not the tent and the bed rack. So but it's probably better that way anyway. If I get the tent and for some reason don't like it, which I don't see me not liking it, but if I do, then I'm not out all that money for the tent and a topper, and then I'm stuck with something I don't like. I can just turn around and sell the tent. But I don't see me not liking it. He loves it. He's going to a newer version of it. Is the only reason he's getting rid of it. So I'm in talks with him on his GFC, see if I can talk him out of it early before he orders his other one. So we'll have to see what we can come up with. If you see my door moving, my cat's trying to escape. They got squirrels out here running around, and every now and again you'll see a cat stick his head out that screen there, or in the screen. There's a table behind it, and they'll jump up there and look out the screen and see the squirrels. So, but anyway, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at on the tent situation right now. I'm really leaning towards that GFC, man. They're really nice. His is the V2, so it's a nice setup, and it's orange. The fabric is orange, and it already goes with my Jeep, so it's blue and orange. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here, talk about that for a second. So tomorrow, I am getting better. So tomorrow, I've got some stuff coming up with the wife's Jeep. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it and put it in the shorter forms like I'm doing right here. But we're doing some work to hers tomorrow. It might be a full video. We'll just have to see how the work goes tomorrow. I might make a full video out of it, and it'll be out Friday. Not this Friday, but the Friday after. This Friday it'll be J3 video. Y'all definitely come check that out. It's going to be a good video. So our Whiskey and Waypoints 200 proof tickets dropped today. So y'all go over to the Overland 870 page and check that out for the tickets. We'll be hosting it at J3 this year. So if y'all are interested in going, hanging out with all of us, So just run over there and check out the tickets on Overland 870. So until next time, guys, Semper Fi and God bless.